Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And you know, I always say it's not all about work. You got to be able to have some fun too. Otherwise, what's the purpose of all the work if you're not going to enjoy anything out of life, right? This is something that's going to help you do exactly that. This is a 1935 Buick. A lot of guys look at that hubcap down there and they're not sure what it is, but that is a 35 Buick. This thing is so cool. Dual exhaust sticking out. This is actually a metal replica of a trunk compartment with leather wrapped, and I actually have the keys for it. Now if you take that off, this will fold up so you don't have that sticking out, but it just looks so cool like that. I don't know why in the world you'd want to do that. This is a all steel car. There's no fake anything on this. It's got the dual spare tires on the side. Look at the wheels. All the wheels, steel wheels with the beauty rings, with the Buick center caps. Just such a cool car. The detail of the 30s and 40s is just mind-blowing. There you got the teardrops, the little horns right there. This horn vibrated and fell out before I got the car. He was telling me about it. The guy behind him ran over it. So that's threaded. So it looks like you can probably get another one and just thread that back in. And just so you can see here up close, this is a two-tone. You got the dark on the running boards and the fenders, and the lighter brown on the rest of the body, and it is straight. This is so pretty, so nicely done. It's unbelievable. I was surprised about this. I'm not that savvy. I looked underneath there and I said, well, it doesn't look like a Mustang, it doesn't look like Camaro, what is that? And he said that's 1935 Buick. That's actually the original independent front suspension on it. So you got to be careful on this because the paint is so nice. I don't want to take a chance of hurting anything here. Maybe I'll just set this down so that I can open this and not chip anything with it, because it really is in incredible condition. You don't want to bang this car up. And I just wanted to show you under here. Radiator, big radiator, cooling fan, power brakes, chrome alternator, horn, a little bit of a chrome kit on it. I don't see what that is. Looks like it might be an Edelbrock intake. It's a Performer. So it's an Edelbrock Performer with a Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Kind of a little Ram air filter on it right there. Cool, cool, cool. It's got a automatic transmission. Don't know if you can see that down there, but it's painted the same color as the car. Look at the detail. Pinstriping. It's just, these guys are just off the hook on what they do. This car is so slick. That is just a vinyl top. It does not come off. It's not a convertible. It's not a rag top. And I believe in 100% full disclosure, so I'm going to show you the bad part of the car. At some point in time, somebody must have had the door open and they managed to hit that and bend it back. And that is not rust. That is just where it broke the factory welding from the side there. If that really bothers you a lot, oh, it's maybe a $1,000 fix. Not a big deal. But look at this. The interior on this car, I just love this thing. This has been redone in look-alike Mohair, the way the factory had it. So awesome. Just, you know, the detail is incredible. It just, look at there. Wing windows. And unless you're an old fart like me, you don't even remember wing windows, right? Windows operable, little map pouches. Just so cool. Look at this. Headliner, sun visors, everything on this car has just been done with so much detail. It is unbelievable. So cool. That little switch right there, just to give you an idea what they were doing back in the day, it's too far for me to reach. You flip that switch up, it turns on that opera light right there. It is just Amazing, amazing, amazing. I don't remember how much of this actually works. I think the oil pressure works. He's got an aftermarket temperature. The alternator, I think, works. Don't think the speedometer worked. This goes up to half tank, so it's probably unfunctional. That is a Lenko shifter. You got the original glove box, and that is complete with the compartment inside it. This car is just so cool. Look at this. And of course, he was very, very proud. Made himself a little easel here, and there's a little thing there with the information on the car. There's one of the plaques that he won. Just some pictures. He's even got the little license plate for the Buick. Such a cool car. This is the kind of car that anybody would be proud to own. What's the saying go? It's not your father's Buick anymore. Well, there you go. Neat, awesome cruiser. Start that thing up, drive it down the road. That is just a beautiful car. I probably have 20 people a day pull in here and take pictures of this thing. So if you can use a 1935 Buick, suicide door, 4-door, absolutely incredible car. If you can use that car, you give me a call. My number is 602-510-5444. And of course, as always, I thank you very much for your time. Thanks for looking.